Welcome to our training on the Brand Analytics Top Search Terms Report. Brands enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry enjoy access to a suite of additional selling benefits, including the Brand Analytics tool in Seller Central. In this video, we'll review the features and functionality of one of the reports you'll find in Brand Analytics Top Search Terms. This report provides brands with a broad view of customer search activity. Instead of focusing on their brand, the report lists keywords that customers have used to find and purchase products across the Amazon store. This information can help brands suggest updates to the keywords associated with their product detail pages, or they can use it to identify purchasing trends and advertising opportunities. You can access the Top Search Terms report and others in the Brand Analytics tool if you're a seller internal to a brand enrolled in Brand Registry. Simply select Brands in the main menu in Seller Central, then click Brand Analytics. Or click Build Your Brand, then locate the Brand Analytics card. For more information about access to Brand Analytics and other brand registry tools, see our modules in Seller University about requesting or managing access to brand selling benefits. After accessing the Brand Analytics tool, you can select Top Search Terms from the list of reports at the top of the screen. The report lists keywords in order of search frequency. You'll see the keyword customers used most at the top, with all other keywords in descending order below. In the row for each keyword, you'll see the 3 brands and categories customers clicked most after searching with it. Then you'll see the 3 products that customers clicked most after searching with the keyword. For each top-clicked product, you'll see an ASIN and product title, as well as a click and conversion share percentage. Click share is the number of times customers click the product on search results pages after using a keyword divided by the number of times customers clicked any product. For example, 10 customers searched the Amazon store using the term backpack, then clicked 1 product each. If 5 of those customers clicked the same backpack, its click share would be 50%. Conversion share is the number of times customers purchased the product after using a keyword, divided by the number of times customers purchased the product. For example, 20 customers searched the Amazon store using the term mug and purchased 1 product each. If 15 of those customers purchased the same mug, its conversion share would be 75%. When you first access the Top Search Terms report, it'll be defaulted to show you the search terms that Amazon customers used the previous week. You can use the drop-down menu and date field to select a different time period. Keep in mind that data is generally available in Brand Analytics within 72 hours. After selecting a time period, click the Apply button to refresh the report. You can use filters to narrow the report to 1 or more top-clicked products, or to narrow it to a specific top-clicked brand or category, or a single keyword. Click Show Filters and enter up to 100 ASINs in the first search bar, separated by either a space or comma. Or use the other search bars to enter a brand name or keyword. To filter by category, select it from the drop-down menu. When you're ready to apply a filter, click the Refine Results button to refresh the report. If you'd like to add or remove columns on the Top Search Terms report, click Customize Columns on the right-hand side. Then check or uncheck boxes in the pop-up. Click the Save button to return to the updated report. To download a copy of the report, click the Generate Download button. Then in the pop-up, select either Simple View to download the report you see on screen, or select Comprehensive View to download the report with all relevant columns. Click the Generate Download button to start your download, which you can monitor by accessing the Download Manager. Finally, if you want more information about how a specific metric is calculated, click Metrics Glossary to see a set of comprehensive definitions. On the Metrics Glossary page, you can expand each section to see additional details. We encourage brands to use all the features and functionality of the Top Search Terms report to gain insights into their performance in the Amazon store. Use it to suggest updates to the keywords associated with your product detail pages. Note trends in customer purchasing, or develop advertising strategies that can help drive traffic to your brand. This concludes our overview of the Top Search Terms Report. If you'd like step-by-step instructions for other brand analytics reports, see our series of modules in Seller University. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.